Welcome everyone to my new video presentation of Dogecoin price prediction for December. We're looking after seeing some great informations as the whole space is pumping. We're just going through some great numbers out here, and I did want to talk about and touch base from the chart standpoint, what are the expectations we're going to fight with. So in the same time, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this type of materials, which are straightforward on the topic. Now, before we get into, I'd like to touch bases on with my one-on-one coaching program, which I'd like to talk about at the end of the video. This is a live coaching with me where I'm taking you as my one-on-one student and teach you how to trade basically. Along the way with my completely done for you trading or signals that you can participate, no prior fee, only commission from the profits made. We also have a great trade that is running, a scalping here. This is amongst the last ones that we performed. $29,000 right there, profit on the BTC trade, 25x leverage on 15 Bitcoins, quick scalping that we performed. Now, what's going on with Dogecoin? Well, simply said, it's just following right now the markets. We're not going through any crazy parabolical movement, which is something that I would actually consider that move from the past, or this moves right here, which is what Dogecoin is actually capable of. We need to make the difference between the organic movements that are expectable and the other ones that are having the ability to push so high that are becoming non-expectable in terms of measuring their tops. So therefore, right now, Dogecoin is actually sitting in a situation of nicely breaking out of the previous top. But unfortunately, we needed so many days in order to complete this process, and that is not the best sign out there, as we're already printing soon. We're getting unfortunately closer and closer into that overbought area. The more time you need to spend basically to break out of a previous top, the more energy is actually being utilized, and the more green candlesticks are actually being printed in order to achieve that. What I would actually prefer seeing is quickly a breakout above the upcoming supply level situated on, close to 10 cents. It is basically on 9 cents and a half right there, sitting a major supply level dealing with us. And then the market can easily push into the between 10 to 11 cents. There is the highest level of supply we will deal with, the highest resistance existent at the moment. That is part of the crypto winter for Dogecoin. As soon as you have cleared that level, these two tops basically, you must get above, and you must have some liquidity gain into that range up to 11 cents, get back basically to 10 cents or 9 cents to the previous supply level, get back to it, make an accumulation stage and a preparation structure to construct from the price action wise towards an upcoming breakout. The breakouts cannot just appear out of nowhere. Breakouts need to be prepared on the price action wise. The liquidity has to be taken left to right. The liquidity has to be taken up and down, and the people that are highly leveraged needs to be taken out before the markets are running as well. People must be trapped into certain positions. This is how the markets are actually functioning, because they are, influenced by the market makers and the exchanges that are dealing quite nicely with these things, having the ability to push the markets a little bit left and right. So this is what's happening, guys, at the end of the day. Get us above those levels and make sure that the explosion is going to appear as soon as you are confirming the appearance with strength above the, 9 cents level. That would be a major mark. A lot of the people consider the 10 cents right there, but as soon as we clear the 9 cents, we're already falling into the ability to deal with much higher levels on 11, 12, and so on. We are kind of portraying numbers which are quite near to us right now. I mean, look at that. This supply level is at 5%, which is something that Dogecoin can achieve in the next hour. Sometimes it achieves 5% in the next, 5 minutes. But at the same time, the upcoming major structure is located at 25%, which is again not a big deal for us to clear. What I most likely consider as a Dogecoin ability, obviously, will be levels above 50 cents that we're going to talk about in the 100 episodes towards price predictions for 2004 that I am putting together. So make sure to like the video, at the same time subscribe to the channel for you to be able to get a notification on when the episodes are starting. there will be 100 videos with cryptocurrencies of price predictions for 2024. Beautiful. That's pretty much all on the topic. Right now, we are in a great shape, which can only be distracted and turned around by the stock market openings today, as well as how does the BTC behaves above $40,000. Now it's 41,406, and we are having a good time with that. So it's important to know that BTC must stay above 40 grand. If it just pokes below 40 grand, that's fine, but it has to be heavily purchased and quickly back above 40 grand. If we lose $40,000 right now when we're not able to stick above, we are going to get some issues for this space. This is the place, by the way, we have got into our trade, 39,405 right there, which is the trade that is running on Bybit, close to 30 grand. On the profit side, 25x leverage, quite high, but we have used a smaller part of the margin. And, for those of you that are willing to participate and join and think this is interesting and it's something that you would actually interested in, make sure to check out. No prior fee, only commission from the profits we achieve. The trading is outsourced. We're trading through API trading permission. You give us trading permission, we proceed and trade. And the commission is paid by you from the profits every 7 days. Simple. As well, for those of you that value education, believe it's important to be educated before dealing with this markets, especially from the trader side. Then I've been trading since 2014, and I do this out of passion. So once again, if you think that there is valuable parts behind the process of improving the results of your actions, which means you need to work on the source of your actions, and this is your knowledge and skills, then this is a one-on-one coaching that's intensively and comprehensive, from the mental side into the technical analysis, language of the market, live trading, homework, exercises. We are explaining everything, especially that it's one-on-one with me. It is total different. That's pretty much all, guys. Qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.